Alright, so this here is going to be a video about this log hauler that I have here. I made this many years ago. I got some other videos on my YouTube channel of how I made it and hauling some logs. But I've actually never hauled anything with the Defender here. So we got it behind the Defender just on a regular hitch. It's got a little hand winch to winch the log up. A couple little safety loops where I chain the log to the bar before towing it away. And then it's just a simple couple of wheels just to drag the log along the trail to get it out of the woods or wherever you're at. So let's go ahead and hook the camera up. We'll tow it around a little bit. We'll find us a log we can load up, and I'll show you how I load it up. Alright, so we have a tree here that fell down over the trail during a storm, and so I've cut it up, squared off the end so that it's a nice long log, and I got a log dog tool to maneuver this log around. So we'll move it out onto the trail, and then I'll just back the log hauler right over the end of it and then pick it up. All right, so we got the log here right into the log arch, log hauler. We'll go ahead and we'll wrap this winch around it, lift it up, hook it up, and then pull it out. All right, so we got it all hooked up here, chained up, wrapped around twice, clipped to itself, and then we take the pressure off of the winch there to pull it up, and now let's drag it down the trail. Alright, so once you get it drug out to where you're loading it on the trailer or out to your property or wherever, you know, it's chained up there. We got the winch, so we'll just go ahead and unchain it. The chain's just for safety, it's not actually holding the weight, as you can see. Alright, and then once you got the chain off, you can just flip the switch and slowly lower it down. Alright, you just slowly unreel the winch, lower the log down to the ground, and now you can move on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe button.